Alright, we're going to do the install on an access cleanout port. The biggest key is where do we want to locate the actual hole in the side of the fan bowl. What we'll do is we want to kind of reach down inside the fan bowl, make sure it's off. We're locating an approximate depth of that fan bowl, kind of where the hole's going to be at. And the idea is, think about this, it's a clean out port, so you want to be able to look through, and you should see right in the fan blade assembly, and we should be able to show you that here in just a second. Now the key is once you get that blade going, notice how he's letting the edge of the fan, or excuse me, the actual saw kind of have a leading edge and start cutting in at the top. And just think about it rotating this thing around like a can opener. Alright, once the hole's in place, we want to make sure and clean any of these frayed up edges, so we're just going to take a hand file. And to give you an idea, whenever you look inside of here, the biggest key is you want to make sure, see if I can kind of zoom in here, and you got your blower wheel right there. So the idea is if I put it in the right place, I should be able to get direct access into that blower wheel. We just got a little bit of a rounded file. Key is we want to kind of clean up these frayed edges. Alright, a couple things we've got is we've got our hole in place. We went in, took a file, cleaned up the edge. Now we're going to install the clean out port. Key is we're going to throw up the latches. This just helps you to get those things out of the way so you can install it easier. You'll see that here in a second. Now, a couple of keys. You want to make sure and fold this material. We make it where it collapses so that it fits through the hole and then pops up on the other side. So, hold your eye bolt with one hand. You'll kind of keep this tacoed in, get it good and centered. Now it's just simple as throwing the latches. Nice and tight. The idea is too, if you look, with that material, it's meant to go in this convex shape. We look at it from the top view. You're going to see it forms and makes a nice fit.